In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Trello board. This process is straightforward and can be accomplished in just a few steps, helping you save time and maintain your organization's or project's consistency. Whether you're managing a personal task list or coordinating a team project, you'll find this feature handy for duplicating setups quickly. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the Trello website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in Trello.com, or click the Trello icon if you've saved it as a bookmark. Once you've reached the Trello homepage, you'll need to log in to your account. You'll notice a variety of login options available, including email, Google account, or even a Microsoft login, depending on what you have set up. Select the method you originally used to create your account, and you'll be smoothly guided into the Trello dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with your workspace. This is where you'll find various boards related to different projects or departments you're handling. Now, you'll want to choose the specific workspace where the board you wish to copy resides. Seek out the board you intend to duplicate. This is where paying attention to details can be crucial, especially if you're managing multiple boards at once. With the board loaded in front of you, direct your attention to the right-hand side where you'll see three small dots, commonly referred to as an ellipsis. Clicking this icon will bring up a menu of options, which include board settings and actions. You'll want to focus on finding the option that says Copy Board. It might not be immediately obvious, so take a close look as you scroll through the menu. Clicking on Copy Board will prompt a dialog box, asking for a few key details. This is your chance to give your new board a unique title, which is especially helpful in keeping your projects organized. You'll also need to confirm which specific workspace you wish the copied board to be added to. This step ensures that the board is shared with the correct group of people or remains a personal copy if that's your intention. Once you've carefully filled out the new title and chosen the right workspace, go ahead and click on Create. This final step is where the magic happens. Trello will now proceed to copy the entire board, replicating all the lists, cards, labels, and checklists. It's that simple. At this point, your newly copied board is ready for you to use just as you would with any other Trello board, allowing you to double down on productivity with ease. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy organizing!